Welcome to the online training for Trimble's EC-CAD sheet metal. And today we're going to look at setting up your sheets in Part Manager. We have covered some videos on specifications, etc. But I want to talk about setting up your metal coils and sheets. To do this, you're going to go to the configuration, which is the wheel or the gear in the upper right-hand corner. And down here you've got sheet parameters. We'll look at, first of all, metal sheets. And metal sheets are just listed by the name of the material. You see we've got aluminum, galvanized, stainless steels, the gauge, and then you want to enter the width of the sheet. To add a new sheet in here is just a matter of drag and drop. So you can just take this metal sheet, drag it over, release it, and now you have the ability to go in here and edit it using the edit key. And come in here and change the name of it, change any of the data to it, and set your width. So that's how you'd add that to the metal. If you're looking at your metal coils, you go to the coils, same thing. To add any entry, you're going to just drag and drop, and then go to the edit to make your changes. You can see these coil widths are 60 inches wide, and then we have the gauge and the material. Same thing on the spiral roll. We want to come through here and we want to give it the name, the material, the gauge, and then the standard duct length over here. So the standard duct length in this case is 120. So if I'm using spiral duct, my duct will come out in 120-inch sections. And this is where you set up your sheet sizes in Part Manager.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.